Hello, everybody. So we are doing order of operations now, and this is what I told you I kind of have fun doing because it starts as this big messy problem, and you slowly chip away at it. It's not particularly challenging once you know the steps, once you apply PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-I-S, and I outlined what that means. Stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, or division, and then addition or subtraction, and that's the order in which you're supposed to do the problem. So when I look at this problem, I look for a parentheses. There's no parentheses, so I don't have to solve that first. Then I look for exponents. It's kind of outlined it here too, P-E-M-D-I-S. There is an exponent, so I need to solve that. If you're unfamiliar with exponents, I'm going to show you how to plug those into a calculator. So if you just Google calculator, you'll get a good calculator with which you can do exponents. Probably do it on your phone too. So to plug in 4 to the power of 2, or 4 squared, in the Google calculator, you can see this function looks kind of like an exponent. It's got the x as the base and the y as the exponent. So I'll put in 4. Uh-oh, my internet's lagging. 4, and then I click the exponent function to the power of 2, and I press equals, and it gives me 16. So I posted a video that explains what exponents are. Please watch that for more of an explanation of that. What I want to do now is show you how I'd work through this problem with a piece of pencil and a paper. I always say that wrong. Piece of paper and a pencil. So bear with me because I have to use the screen draw thing, and I'm not very good at making clean lines, but you'll still get the gist. So with a piece of paper and a pencil, I'd write down 9 plus 4 squared divided by 2. So 9 plus 4 squared divided by 2. And then I've simplified the exponent. 4 squared is equal to 16. The exponent tells you how many times to multiply the base by the base. So 4 times itself twice. 4 times 4 is 16. After I've done that, I bring down the rest of my problem in the same order that was already written. So we want to go like straight down with rewriting our problem and keep everything in a nice, neat vertical line. So now my problem looks like this: 9 plus 16 divided by 2. And I'll look back at my order of operations. Next, I do either multiplication or division based on where it arrives in the problem from reading it left to right. So I don't have any multiplication. I do have division. So I'm going to do the division portion next. I'm going to do 16 divided by 2, which is 8. I'm going to bring down the rest of my problem, that plus 9. And now all I'm left with is 9 plus 8, which is 17. And I've got my answer. So I'll go to this and I type in 17 and I click enter. And yay, we got it right. Okay, so now we're going to do this one. I'm going to close that one. Oh, no, I don't want to save it. Okay, so I'm going to write it down on my piece of paper. 13 minus parenthesis 3 plus 1 parenthesis divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, I look at my order of operations, P parentheses. Yep, I have parentheses in this problem, so I'm going to solve what's in the parentheses first. 3 plus 1 is 4. I bring down the rest of my problem. 13 minus 4 divided by 2. I look at my order of operations. Now I do multiplication or division. I don't have multiplication. I do the division. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Bring down the minus and the 13. All I have left is 13 minus 2, which is 11. All right. Type in 11. And bada bing, bada boom. All right, simplify using order of operations. Again, I would write down this problem. 12 minus 36 divided by 9. According to the order of operations, I would solve the division portion before I did the subtraction. So I do 36 divided by 9. I would get 4. I do 12 minus 4. I would get 8. Okay, 7 plus 3 times 5. I would do my multiplication first. 3 times 5 is 15. 7 plus 15 would be 22. Okay, probably write this one out. Oh, I don't want to save it. 9 divided by 3 plus 4 times 3 divided by 4. Come on. 9 divided by 3 plus 4 times 3 divided by 4. 9 divided by 3 plus 4 times 3 divided by 6. Oops. Okay, how do I erase it? Okay, 6. That's funny. It works kind of like a real eraser where it doesn't quite erase the whole thing right away. Random. 6. Okay. Order of operations says there's no exponent or no parentheses or exponents in this problem to be looking at. So when I look for multiplication or division from left to right, I'm going to solve those. So I've got 9 divided by 3 is 3. Plus, I've got 4 times 3, 12, divided by 6. Okay. Now I have only addition and division left as my operations. So I'm going to do, according to the steps, the division first, and then the addition. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Bring down the rest of the problem. Plus 3. Oh, geez. Is 5. Let's see if I got that one right. Yep. All right. Now we've got another exponent. But we've done problems like this at this point so far. So I am going to stop here. And hopefully this helps you understand what you're supposed to do with the order of operations and helps you when you're writing the problem, how to do it step by step. All right.